From the office of Fort Bend County Judge K.P. George, this week in Commissioners Court. Today, Commissioners Court started off with a slew of announcements. County Judge George announced that he will host Fort Bend Forward Community Conversations on Thursday, March 16th from 5:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. at the Fort Bend University Branch Library. Residents are encouraged to attend. You can RSVP to the event by going to the County Judge's webpage at fbctx.gov for more information on featured speakers. Additional announcements came from Precinct 4 Commissioner McCoy, whose office partnered with the Houston Humane Society's Pet Pantry and Precinct 4 Constable Mike Beard to provide free pet food and supplies to area residents. In other good news, our own Fort Bend County Facilities Department received a $188,000 award from CenterPoint Energy for being one of their City Smart top performers for their energy efficiency efforts within the county's older buildings. Congratulations to Facilities Director James Knight and the entire Facilities Department for your outstanding efforts. Lastly, Precinct 2 Commissioner Prestige announced the beginning of his community outreach efforts with the first in a series of listening tours that will take place on Thursday, March 16th at 6:30 p.m. at the Needville Annex. Congratulations are in order for Barbara Minton, whose appointment was unanimously approved to join the Library Advisory Board for the term of January 1st, 2023 through December 31st, 2025. Next, item 19 from the County Auditor. The court unanimously approved taking all appropriate action on amending the resolution and order authorizing the increase of funding for various mobility bond projects previously approved by the Commissioners Court on August 10, 2021. The amount is $75 million. The court will see in the coming month another presentation of our mobility bond issues. Agenda item number 25 to take all appropriate action to authorize the use of certificates of obligation to fund a project development agreement regarding efficiency upgrades throughout the county and the amount not to exceed $117,780 passed unanimously. The court was asked to approve corrections on agenda item 39B to take all appropriate action on advanced funding agreement for a locally funded project between Fort Bend County and the Texas Department of Transportation. Precinct 3 Commissioner Myers and Precinct 1 Commissioner Morales discussed the source of funds for frontage roads either by using $37.9 million already included in the 2017 and the 2020 mobility bond authorizations or by CAD funding, with $20 million proposed funding from CAD 1 and $20 million funded by the state. The motion carried 4-1. The vote was unanimous for agenda item number 26 to take action to continue to allocate funds in the amount of $17,700 for training and necessary certification to accredit our Homeland Security and Office of Emergency Management through FEMA. A trained staff is a prepared staff. Precinct 3 will move forward with the approval from the court for the construction of the Precinct 3 Annex with a request for negotiation with the Crane Group. Congratulations goes out to Justin Jurek, who was appointed the new Fort Bend County Fire Marshal. And this concludes your Commissioners Court update for this week. Commissioners Court is scheduled to meet on the first, second, and fourth Tuesday of each month at 1 p.m. on the second floor of the historic Fort Bend County Courthouse in Richmond, Texas.